Alright guys, on Capcut, click on new project and import a plain green background. Alright, so we have our plain green background right here. So what you do next, you go to text, you click on text right here, click on add text. Alright, so at this point you are going to tap on this underscore, tap on underscore. Just keep tapping. Alright, so when that is done, you tap on style. So from style here, you go to glow. Look at glow right here. So click on glow. You will see this other option right here. Click on this one here. This blue. You get my point. So you can decide to use any color, and as you can see, the line here, it's beginning to glow. You get my point. So you can decide to use any color. You can select any other color. You can choose red, and you see that glow red color. You choose blue. You don't need to choose green. Remember, we are using the background of this particular line is green, so you don't choose green. No matter the color you want to choose, make sure you're not using green. You get my point. So you can select the intensity, the range of which you want it to you understand. So when you are done with this particular one, the next thing for you to do is to export this particular video to your gallery, because we are going to use it. Alright, now click on done, click on new project and import the images you want to use. Now this is the original image, and this one right here is the animated image. You get my point. So you are going to bring both of them. Now what you need to do, tap on this original image, tap on the original image, go and look for overlay. Alright, click on overlay. Now tap and hold it, drag it to make sure it aligns under the first image. Now tap on it, expand it, scale it to make sure it fits your screen. You get my point, just like what you see me do. So it will be something like this. So guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, you are welcome to Mr. Cretin Update Video Editing channel. Here I teach how to edit videos. You get my point. So if you are a complete beginner and want to learn how to edit videos, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update. You get my point. So at this point you need to tap on the second layer. Now go and look for mask. Now click on mask. So here you are going to click on horizontal. So look at it here. So you are going to take it up, but you have to first of all click on invert. When you click on invert, you're going to have something like this. Then you are going to take it up. Understand? So now you will click on the OK button right here. Now the next thing for you to do, you click on add overlay. Bring in the white line you created with a green background. Alright, so look at it right here. So what you're going to do is to tap on it. You can expand it, something like what you see me do right here. So you go to remove BG, click on it, click on chroma key. Now move this color picker to where it shows green, and you're going to have something like this. You can increase the intensity to somewhere 40 or 41. You can just leave it right there. Then you can touch the shadow if you want to. You get my point. So when you are done with this particular settings, click on OK. Now drag it up. When you drag it up to this level, make sure you expand it to touch both sides of the screen. You get my point. Now tap and drag the green layer, just move it away so that you'll be able to edit this particular one. Tap on the second layer as it is. Now go and look for mask. Let's go and look for mask as it is. Make sure it's at the beginning of the video. Now when you get to mask, where is mask, click on mask. So at this point you are going to add keyframe at the beginning of the second layer. Now move it to somewhere here where you want the whole video to be revealed. You get my point. From here you're going to drag it down. Just drag the mask line down completely. You get my point. another keyframe will be added automatically. You get my point? So you can now click on OK. Now look at this green, right? If you play the video, this is what you're gonna get. So now this other green here, you tap on it and drag it down here. So now move the green layer to the beginning of the video. Something like this. So what you're gonna just look at it, add keyframe at the beginning of the green layer. That's the third layer. Now try to play the video or move the video a bit, and you will see it will be revealing the animated image. That's when you're going to drag the line down accordingly. You get my point? So this is just, that's how you're going to till you get to the end. You get my point? So that's just it. So guys, I'll show you how to animate a picture, an image like this. So stay tuned. Alright, so now go to your Chrome browser right now. So go and type alright, so you click on it and type chat.openai.com. chat.openai.com. So when you are done typing, you click on search. So please make sure you have a good network. You get my point? Then allow it to search. So if you are opening it for the first time, it will ask you to register or to log in. So to register is not something difficult. It's just for you to use your email address. Understand? Just use your email, and then they will send you verification code, and you input everything, and you are good to go. Now when you are done with the registration, you see this plus button at the bottom left corner of your screen. That is where you are going to click. When you click on it, you will see the option that says upload file. So now when you click on this upload file, it will take you to your gallery. So from there, you'll be able to select any image of your choice. So this is my gallery. I'm going to select an image. So let me select that same image. So look at it here, I brought the image in. So now ask the great ChatGPT to do something for you, anything. So what I'm going to ask is, let me just say, turn this image to Ghibli. You hear my point? Turn this image to Ghibli. So let me just type it. Alright, so as you can see, I'm done typing. So you have this button here to search. You click on this arrow and give it some time. Guys, you need to have data and good network. Understand? It takes time, but you need to have patience, so it will be able to generate. But look at it here, we are about to get our own. So guys, don't tell me you've not liked this video. Like this video and share. You can see image created. So look at it here. So for you to be able to get it into your gallery, you have to tap and hold the image. So you're going to have these options, download image and so on. So click on download image, and it's going to be downloaded to your gallery. That is just it, guys. Look at it here, right here. So guys, from here you are good to go. So I believe you've gotten value from this video. Do well to like and share, comment, and if you've not subscribed, subscribe for more updates. You get my point? So I don't want to waste much time. So see you in our next video.